Similar to assessments, the polls feature in Vivi is a tool teachers can use to gauge student understanding and social emotional well-being in the classroom. To use the poll feature, select Polls from the app. Select a feedback template from the drop-down menu. You will have the option to select a time limit from 15 seconds to 3 minutes. This corresponds with how long your students will be able to answer the poll question through their Vivi app. Once the question has been selected, the right side of the screen will preview your poll question, along with the applicable answer choices and corresponding emojis. The preview is what will appear on the student device when you start the poll. Select Start to begin the poll. Once the poll has started, students will see their Vivi app display a ribbon with the poll question and corresponding answer choices on the homepage. Once a student selects their answer choice, the poll bar will disappear from their Vivi app. The teacher will be able to see the results in real time as students answer. Under the participant column, the teacher can toggle the Show Hide option to see the specific student and their answer choice. If there is no time limit set for the poll, the teacher can select Stop Poll when done. The teacher can also choose how to display the results: bar chart, pie chart, or details. All poll results are saved to Vivi Central for teachers to access at a later time.